Just to sort of like get deeper into, so in terms of like if an application is a monolithic application versus an application which has microservices built into it, so I would assume there's a complexity, lot more complexity with microservices, or am I right?
I would say it's easier to run, I mean, it's harder to build, but easier to monitor microservices. Simply because if something breaks in the monolith, it's really hard to find out where to go look. And then if you want to fix something, the blast radius could be pretty large as well. So the microservice architecture is harder to build, but it's easier to monitor and maintain, because now you know exactly which metrics were impacted, which microservice had a problem. If you change something, it's really going to be contained within that microservice. So it's easier to test the change. It's easier to roll it out worldwide, because every time you're not deploying a monolith, which impacts every aspect of your business. So I think it's harder to build, but easier to operate and maintain and monitor.